So intelligent billing is the name of the product. PRD Technologies is the name of the business. So we do billing, basically. So our traditional market, for example, is telecoms billing. So when you get a phone bill at the end of each month, at the beginning of a month, and everything on the phone bill, all your line rentals, or your bundles, your packages, all the phone calls, if you wondered how that's calculated, why it's there, how it's able to calculate the overusage or the price, that's the technology we do. So we're behind that sort of technology. We offer that technology. Same with all the Azure, all the consumption billing that now goes on, or the Microsoft licensing, or it's all consumable data. So companies really struggle to analyze that through spreadsheets. We can do it, but it takes a long, long time. So we automate that process. We had one company come to us quite recently, and they reckon it saves about 300 hours a month. That's a managed service provider in the reselling Microsoft cloud services with all the pro-ratering and everything. We automate, we collect data, we automate the processes where possible. We integrate into all companies' third-party systems. There shouldn't be any duplication of entry. So the chances are they use an accounting system. So when the bill runs are done, it automatically uploads all the information into accounting. Same with CRM systems. And there should be no duplication of entry. So we eliminate all the billing challenges. We deal with a lot of West Coast Cloud, for instance, is a huge company. Yes. So one of the biggest IT distribution companies in the UK, and they use us for all the Azure stuff, but they didn't know we did print IT. And of course, what's happening, a lot of them provide these sorts of services as well, as do Exertis, Arrow, and what was Tech Data, and they do that. So we just want to get that message out there a little bit that, to us it is just data. We could process virtually everything. But what I want to also add, I think I mentioned earlier, we're ISO 27001, which is really critical, ISO 9000, so it takes security really importantly. And in terms of the capabilities and the power of what we do, we process about 5 billion transactions every month. Wow. So one phone call is one transaction, one print item is one transaction. We do about 5 billion a month. And we deal with it, we don't discriminate. We deal with what we call the bedroom resellers, one-man bands. So they have an out-the-box package that we can set up really quickly, all the way up to enterprise level. So West Coast, they're enterprise level, they have all their VARs, so we generate the data and we process about 120 million a year for them, down to single small resellers who might be generating a couple of £1,000 a month to us, their customers, and proud to have them all.